Alright, last page is solving the following algebraically. So for this, we'll just jump right in. Add 5 to both sides, you get 27 equals 3 times w plus 1 squared. Divide by 3, both sides by 3. You get 9 equals 3 plus 1 squared. Square up both sides, so you get plus minus 3 equals w plus 1. Subtract 1, so you get w equals negative 1 plus minus 3. So w can equal negative 1 plus 3, which is 2. And w can equal negative 1 minus 3, which is negative 4. Be sure to check your solution. So I'll plug it in real quick. So 2 plus 1 squared is 3, or 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 minus 5 is 22. 22 is equal to 22, so that's true. And then we'll do the other one. Negative 4 plus 1 is 3. Negative 3 squared is 9, so it's 3 times 9. And it's going to be the same thing. So 27 minus 5 is 22, so they both work. Next problem. Start out by subtracting 1. So 20 equals 5 times y minus 3 squared. Divide by 5, so you get 4 equals y minus 3 squared. Take the square root of both sides, and you get plus minus 2 equals y minus 3. Add 3 both sides. 3 plus minus 2 equals y. So y equals 3 plus 2, which is 5. And y equals 3 minus 2, which is 1. And now I'll check them. 5 minus 3 squared is 2 squared, which is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21, so that works for 5. And we'll do y minus 3 squared, which is negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Positive 4, sorry. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. Alright, next problem. We'll add x to the other side, so we'll get 3x minus 2 equals x minus 4. Square both sides, so we get 3x minus 2 equals x squared minus 8x plus 16. I know that because I've done a lot of math, but you can multiply it out if you need to. X minus 4, x minus 4. So that's x squared, negative 4x, 16, and negative 4x. So now if you add all that up, you get this. Now I'll subtract 3x minus 2 from both sides, so you get x squared minus 11x plus 18. Now you can factor that out. And negative 11, so it's going to be negative 9, negative 2. So we got x minus 2 times x minus 9 equals 0. Now I set them to 0. So you get x equals 2, x equals 9. Now you have to replug them in to the original equation. So I do square root of 3 times 2 minus 2, which is square root of 6 minus 2, which is 4, minus 2. So that's going to be 2 minus 2, and be 0 equals negative 4, which is not true. So it's x equals 2 is not going to work for this problem, because that's going to be our extraneous answer, and I'll test x equals 9 now. So 3 times 9 minus 2 square root. 3 times 9 is 27 minus 2, 25. Square root of 25 is 5. And do 5 minus 9 equals negative 4. 5 minus 9 is negative 4. So negative 4 equals negative 4. So our correct answer is x equals 9 for this problem. So, same kind of thing for this one. You can have one answer because there's square root on one side. So I square both sides and get x minus 3 equals x squared minus 10x plus 25. If you don't know that, just multiply x minus 5 times x minus 5. But I'm pretty good at that, so I can do it in my head. Now I'll subtract x minus 3, so you get x squared minus 11x plus 28. Now I'll factor it. We get x minus 7 . So we get our answers are x equals 7 and x equals 4. Now we have to test them in our equation. So do 4 minus 3 square root. There's going to be square root of 1, which is 1. 1 equals 4 minus 5. 1 does not equal negative 1. So x equals 4 is not our answer. I'll test the other one real quick. 7 minus 3. Square root of 4, which is 2. And 2 minus 5, or 7 minus 5, is 2 equals 2. So our answer is x equals 7 for that.